gate as well, with hinges, and of course a little slide lock to keep them in. Earlier, let me see. Oh, nice. How are you doing, guys? Welcome back to another video. A while back I posted a YouTube short of me working on my greenhouse, and it's completed now, and I'm gonna reveal it to you guys today. And the second addition to my back garden that I'm gonna show you guys as well, that you guys don't know about. So this is a greenhouse. So this is it from outside. Yeah. And here we are inside. As you can see, majority of it is made from wood. The 4 pillows at the side, I took these pillows from the trampoline that we had in the garden that ripped apart, and my son dog 7 helped destroy it along with the children. But that trampoline, we had it for over 5 years, so it did it time. So I just decided to use the parts off of it to create this greenhouse here. Right, and at the door I put a piece of plastic as a door for now. In a few weeks time I'm going to build a wooden door, but for now, just to keep the chickens out, I put a piece of plastic there so they don't go in there and destroy my my succulent plants that I have growing in here. So in here I got sweet corn, cucumber, pumpkin, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm trying this year watermelon, but see how far I get with the watermelon before the season changes and the weather changes. Yeah, and in here I got beetroot suckers coming as well. So with the greenhouse, I just yeah, like I said before, I use these metal pillars off the trampoline and just bolt on some wooden planks going straight across, connect all 4 of them. Yeah, and then just put some wood here as support. I screwed on the wood to the concrete base that I have down here, to the brick base that I have down here, which the bricks are cemented to the floor. And then I just screwed everything on, and then I just put these wooden planks going across as well for extra support, going all the way around. Yeah, and I bought some heavy duty plastic from the hardware. I believe it was Wix or B&Q. I bought this plastic from, and wrapped it all around, glued it down, and also stapled it. See if the camera can pick up. Yeah, glued it and also stapled it all the way around. Yeah, this was a lot of work, but I finally got it done with the help from my big son Maurice, and of course the kids. Yeah, and at the top I used some plastic piping to make the top not as flat so the water able to run off, and some wood, a piece of wooden plank as well going straight down for support for the plastic roof. Yeah, so yeah, this is a greenhouse. There's some nice fresh thyme growing here as well. Same breed of thyme, both containers. Yeah, so this is what's going on in the back garden at the moment. Yeah, so it's everything in here almost getting to full stage. So these are going to be ready to transplant by next week outside. And of course I'm going to leave some of the cucumbers in here as well to grow in some of these containers. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with my garden, my growing garden for this year, this summer. Right, last year was very nice. Loads of fruitful stuff I grew last year. Cucumbers, tomatoes, pumpkin, sweet corn last year. Same this year as well. This year I'm going to grow a lot of beetroot. So when everything's of size, I'm going to take them out and transplant some outside, and I'm going to leave some in here in these big flowers pot to grow as well. Like the watermelon going to have to grow inside the greenhouse where it's very warm. Yeah, and the heat that's in this greenhouse at the moment is very high. As you can see, it's a sunny day outside, so in here is very warm because of the plastic. Yeah, so this is what's going on in the greenhouse for now. Yeah, also I'm trying a sweet pepper this year. Not sweet pepper, sweet potato. To see how far it gets. Yeah, this sweet potato, I bought it at the Caribbean shop. And I just cut off the head of it and put it in some water to try and grow it. So I'm going to see how far I get with that as well, along with the watermelon. Yeah, so this is a greenhouse. Yeah. This acorn here, my son Timothy found it at the park, so he brought it home and gave me and told me to put it somewhere, so I decided to put it right here at the front of the greenhouse. Yeah. And the second addition to the back garden that I just mentioned is the chicken run I've extended for the chickens. So this is it. So right now the chicken have their own area to stay in, instead of walking up and down and up on the slabs and pooping all over the place, and the kids stepping all over in the pool and their ball and stuff going all in the pool. I decided to build this area for them. So this is the completion of that as well. While I was building the chicken enclosure and the greenhouse, I did record some videos, but the footage got messed up. I do have some footage of the greenhouse, so I'm gonna drop that in the video here and show you guys. And also I've got some footage of the chicken enclosure while I'm building that as well. So I'm gonna also drop this in this video and show you guys what I was doing, how I was doing it. Yeah, so made this little gate as well with hinges, and of course a little slide lock to keep them in. Yeah, as far as I can see, they're nice and happy. If chickens can be happy, they walk up and down all day, eat grass. Yeah, and they go inside and eat their feed as usual, drink the water, go up top there and sleep at night. And my kids come out here and just close this gate to keep them safe at night. And of course they have the laying area at the back. Oh, they laid the egg already this morning. Alright, I'll leave that there for now. Inside here need cleaning out as well. That's a chicken poop. So I'll let the kids come out and collect that egg later. Yeah, so this is their own little area right now. In the future, planning on getting another 2 laying hens, or even 1, possibly 2. I would like 2 more. Yeah, so this is what the chicken enclosure looked like that I finished building last week. Yeah, right beside the greenhouse. Yeah, so yeah, so greenhouse complete, chicken enclosure complete. Yeah. Alright guys, check out these clips of me working on the chicken enclosure. Get this all mixed up. One thing with mixing cement, it take a lot of water.
Yeah, more than you think, innit? But it'll take longer to dry though if you put too much, innit?
No, because it's in the ground, you're gonna soak up the water quick.
Okay, yeah.
Get in a load. Shay, pass me the spirit level, please. Catch this one. Alright guys, so this is the progress that I made. Yeah, so far I got up 5 posts and I've got them as level as I can, and I screw on some reinforcement board to keep them in place until the cement at the footing is dry. So once the cement at the footing is dry tomorrow, then I can remove the support posts and they'll be standing on their own, and then I'll be mixing up some more cement and fill it up all the way to the top just below the ground, because I'm going to fill in the rest with soil after the cement is dry. Yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3 more to do. Alright, so guys, this is how far I reach. All of the in-ground posts are in. Just waiting now until they quail a bit, which means a bit dry. Just waiting until they dry now, the bottom bit of the concrete, and then I'm going to mix some more and then fill it all the way up. Well, not all the way up, just below the dirt line, so I can put the dirt around the edges. Alright, so yeah, this is what we got so far. I got everything as level as possible that I can. Yeah. So the next step, like I said, just to fill in the concrete in the rest of the hole. So the one thing that's missing out of this chicken enclosure is a dirt bath. Chicken, they need grass to eat like they're eating now. They need their feeding, they need their water, and of course the one thing that's missing out here is a dirt bath. They need somewhere to dirt bath and clean their feathers. Just like how we have a shower, they have a dirt bath to clean their feathers and make sure all the pesticides and everything that's in their body, in their fur, get out. Yeah, so I'm going to build a dirt bath out of wood and put it right there, and then I'm going to pour some dirt in it. I got the dirt already. Got the dirt I'm going to use. I'm going to build it and put it right there. So this is the wood I'm using to build the dirt bath. So this wood here is 1 meter long. 1 meter long. So I just cut it in 2. Yeah. And all I'm going to do is just screw them together. And I'm not going to bother put a base on it, a bottom. I'm just going to put it on flat, on the dirt, on the grass. And then just let nature take its course. The reason I'm not going to put a bottom on it is because when it rains, I don't want the water settle at the bottom of it and then turn into a mud pit. When the chickens go in it, I want the water to drain straight out and dry up as fast as possible, so the chickens can have their dirt bath whenever the dirt dries up. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to get cracking doing now, making the dirt bath out of wooden planks. So I already cut 2 pieces of wood already, so I already have 4 planks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lay it out something like this. So the basic frame is going to be like this. So this space in the middle is going to be more than enough for the chicken. Same thing. So this is how it's going to look after I finish screwing everything together. So this is going to be their dirt bath. Alright, and then I'm going to put lots of dirt in here and put it in their enclosure, so they'll be able to have their dirt bath whenever they want. Alright, so all the wood cut, all the thing I need to do now to get the screws, get my drill, and put everything together. Alright, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So drill well charged and ready. So these are the screws that I'm going to be using to hold the wood together, and I'm going to need a drill bit to drill the holes first. Need a wooden drill bit. Those are drill bits here. That's the wooden drill bit I'm going to need. Alright, we have everything ready. So first, I'm going to start assembling it now. So this is the first level, all screwed up, nice and strong. I'm going to put a couple extras in the at the side here just to make it more stronger. Yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. Yeah, 2 screws at each corner. Yeah, just like that, nice and simple. So I'm going to work on the other level now. screw straight in. Yeah, straight in. And there you have it. The chickens have their dirt bath container. So only thing left to do now is put that in the chicken enclosure and put lots of dirt in it, fill it with dirt. Yeah, that is it. I just remembered I have some of these brackets that I'm not using, so I'm going to put these one on each side, on each level, and to make it extra stronger. So I'm going to put one here, and one at each level. So this is it, the chicken dirt bath finish. So only thing left to do now is put it, oh, my screwdriver bit was left in the screw. Yeah, only thing left to do now is put it in the chicken enclosure. Yeah, they're in there having their lunch. So this going right in here. Right in this spot here. Right there. Right up against the fence. I think I might take this out, but I'm not sure yet. Can leave it for now. I did cement this down as well years ago, so that's solid. Well, not 100% solid, it's a bit loose. Over the years it just deteriorate. Yeah, need to collect all this chicken poo when I'm ready to water my garden. Chicken poo, as you know, some of you might know, chicken poo is the best fertilizer. Yeah, is it, girls? Nice eggs and chicken poo. Win-win situation. And you're nice to look at. Nice and tame. Come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, so next, get the dirt and put it in. Oh, back in. In. I lock this gate because I don't want them to come out. Even though it's not a problem if they come out anyway, but I want them to get used to their enclosure and knowing that this is their territory. Once they see the dirt, they like the dirt. Thinking, yes, I could have a bath later, I could have a shower. So pour that right in. The rest of the dirt I'm going to use for my vegetable pots. You can see there's a potato in there because this dirt I was using it to grow potatoes last year. That's probably too much. Alright, that's them sorted for today. Alright. Before you know it, they're going to go right around there and start having a dirt bath. Yeah. See? That's Daphne there. Daphne going to check it out. Chickens are very curious animals. As soon as they see something new around them, they're going to check it out. That's what she's doing now. She's going right in it. Yeah, first she's gonna pick around, see if there's anything to eat. Then she's gonna start scratching. Yeah, see? See if there's anything below the surface, deep in the dirt. And then before you know it, she's gonna start doing her dirt bath. Hopefully, I get to catch it on video so you guys can see. Here comes Charlotte. She wants to check it out as well. Yeah, there they go. Something new in their surroundings, they're gonna come right and have a look and check it out.
Did you check if there's any egg?
Yeah, check, see if there's any egg, Timo. Good boy. Well, there is an egg. I saw it earlier. Let me see. Oh, nice. Yeah. I wonder which one laid it. Put it in the fridge, alright?
Yeah.
Keep it nice and fresh. Lock by the gate, Timo. Mind them come out. Yeah. Fresh egg every day. Every day, 2 eggs. Without fail. Yeah, once they're eating the right food, they're gonna produce eggs, which is a layers pellet. I give them every day. Well, they always eat inside of their container. A layers pellet. Yeah. The only thing is I'm gonna have to top this dirt up every once in a while because as you can see, you're scratching it and it's coming right out. Or I'm probably going to have to add another layer of wood on top of it. I think that's what I'm going to have to do, add another layer of wood, but not now, another day. Yeah, at least they're enjoying it, they're happy in their new enclosure. Yeah, they'll be more happier walking around the garden, but for us, it's better them stay one place. Yeah. Alright, so let me know what you think of our chicken enclosure. Alright, I think they're happy. I like it, and I hope you guys will like it as well. Alright, drop me a comment and let me know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Most of all, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Remember, my name is Maurice and this is the Nesbitt Family Tales. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves.